All right, here we go. Bringing another one to y'all with the 450 Bushmaster in Remington AccuTips. What we're gonna do, we're gonna try out the cold bore shot and just see how it holds up from that initial freezing cold barrel on the first shot, and see what the how it groups after that, how far off it is. So y'all stick around. We're gonna be doing this at about 75 yards. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. Just doing a cold bore at about 75 yards just to see. This is a 450 Bushmaster. This is the AccuTips. Just gonna see how far off the first shot is from the next shot. Well, that cold bore is on. Let's just see if the second shot is on. That's me moving around. Definitely me moving around on that because I'm not in the greatest stance. Yeah, there you are. 75 yards. That was me wiggling around. I was like popping a squat. So actually squatting like that shooting. But yeah, so if you're wondering, on the cold bore with the 450 Bushmasters, are they going to be off on that cold shot on that winter hunt? Like you see right now, we're in the 30s, and this rifle's been outside for over an hour right now, just deep freezing. So there you go. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all.